So I'm still in between where 18 Mile Creek crosses Route 5 and the Access Creek site. And so here we have an unusual occurrence of some units or nice contacts that we don't usually get to see in a lot of other places as clearly. So down below me at my feet is this chippy shale unit we can see exposed very nicely down in like the Route 5 crossing, for example, and a little bit further upstream. And then we have these limestone bands here. So we have one kind of continuous looking limestone bed going up, it seems like, up to the contact above with kind of this grayer, chippy shale, a little more finely laminated. But the thing to note here is that we have a lower bed of limestone. It's pretty thin, maybe only, I don't know, about 2.5 centimeters or so there. And then in between this upper bed of limestone that's much thicker and the lower bed is this very thin, finely laminated shale unit that we don't see very often, or kind of pinches in and out all over the place. So that was just interesting to note there, and it's wavy just like the underlying and overlying contact. You can also see some little stringers of shale up here as well. You can see maybe some possible little tiny nodules here. Just an interesting point of contact. Some further shales, it looks like maybe shaly beds here that are weathering out a different color than the rest of the limestone. So this shows kind of the variability in lithology and pinching in and out of things. Another thing to note is down here, just below this contact with the limestones, there's a limey bed that here is a continuous limey bed for a while, but if you go to different spots instead of this one continuous band, it'll be a bunch of nodules potentially, actually, if you trace it out.